Okay, so this is another video in the same vein of the graphics program that I had made. That being said, I'm just going to quickly show off, this thing that I've been working on. And this is right now a memory debugger because I wanted to get into, hacking and things like that. This is very basic though. I'm just dumping memory from, Notepad, which has code for my video game. And a lot of this is junk. Part of me working on these projects more is, fixing this stuff because I do want to make something that will because I fundamentally am opposed to being a script kiddie. I have the ability to program, therefore I should make my own scripts. And even if I'm struggling with something like this, I don't want to use a library or anything like that. I want to learn because I want to get into computer science, and I want to know everything about the computer, how it works, so on and so forth. That being said, I need to work through these things myself. However, this isn't the only thing. This is just memory snooping. But I'm going to type ass multiple times, and you'll see why. Ooh. Because in addition to making this little memory snooper, I have also made Keylogger, which surprisingly wasn't detected by my virus detector, which is really weird. But as you can see right now, this is the ass that I wrote multiple times, except for this right here, which I ended up fucking up and writing AAS. Again, there are some issues, as you can tell, because it constantly writes. This is pretty simple. All I have to do is just check to see if there's anything in the buffer, and then once I write to file, just clear the buffer. But that's again part of the reason I upload my projects in such a disparate state is because I want you guys to be able to monitor my progress as I work on these sort of things. So it's important that I show you the issue that I'm having right now. So when I fix the issue, you can go, hey, this guy, he recognizes the problems and he takes care of them. And that's really it. Just, introducing another quick project that I've been working on. As you might have noticed, I have quite a few of these projects that I have been working on. But I'll get into that, when I get into that. For the time being, I just wanted to show off this because I've been trying to get into cybersecurity a bit more in the hopes of getting employed soon because I got laid off from my job as a programmer, and it's pretty fucking rough. So, yeah, that's it.